Random video coming tomorrow? Okay, bye. What a good nap. I always loved sleeping with my eyes open. Man, I gotta take a piss though. Wahoo! Gotta piss. Hello? Who the fuck's in there? Let me in! I have to take a piss. Sorry, bro. Someone's in here. Fine, I'll just wait. La da da, wasting my time. What to do? I'm gonna count air fresheners. Look, there's one. Ooh, what scent is it? Shit, I'm about to drop them all. It's Hawaiian Aloha. And look, here's the second one. Vanilla. And this is the third one, which is also vanilla. And this one, I don't know what smell that one is. What else? What else? Just go to the bathroom and get the fuck out! Damn, my bad. Oh, finally. Fuck this shit, too slow. Hey, what the hell? Sorry, bro. You gotta be faster than that. Now let's see. Time to comb my hair. You don't fucking have any! I didn't mean on my head. Don't look at me like that. 2 hours later. Okay, I'm done. What? Hey, with the bathroom door! Damn it!
And now begin... Jesus Christ, I look bad. And now begins the beauty session with Foxy. You're about to get a full... My side view's even worse. Holy shit. You're about to get a full beauty routine. So first, I sit down. I sit down and I brush my eyeball and my nose. This is standard procedure. Then I bleach my eyeballs with air freshener. I currently can't see, but it's okay. Then we cannot show that mirror. Oh shit. Then I go into the cabinet. Don't mind me off frame. And I brush my teeth. With goddamn stutter. With the capsule still on, yes. Don't forget to brush the eyeball either. That's important. Then I flush myself down the toilet. And then I come back to the sewers out of the shower. Okay, that's all my routine.
Is it over yet? I'm going to piss myself. Look at me. Look at my pose. Look at my intense stare. The desperation. Please. Please. Ooh, free bathroom. Damn it! Wait, why did I come into the bathroom again? Oh yeah, I know. To count air I'm going to kill myself. I'm going to die in here. I can't even go piss in my own house. Wait, this is my house. I can't even go piss in my own... Shit, what is Huggy to me again? To my own pet's house. What do I do? Answer me, what do I do? Well, bathroom time. Why do I look purple? What the hell? God damn it, I fucked up my line. Cut the camera. Fuck. Big ass yawns. Damn, it looks like I got lipstick on. What the fuck? Anyways, time for my morning shower. La-da-da-da. Scrub-a-dub-dub in the tub. La-da-dee, la-da-doo, la-da-dum. I need to do something. You know what? No! Fuck this! Shit, I kinda just... Open up! Who's in here? Wait your turn, bro. Oh, bro, you motherfucker. No, who is it? Take your time. Okay, I'm done. Hi, night. Finally. It's beautiful. Look at it. What? Are my pants wet?